Hey guys, David Pingree here with Upshift Online. We're at KTM today. We've got our Adventure 1090. We want to show you the Offroad Dongle and show you how to install this and make it work. And it might sound like something you'd call one of your buddies when you're out riding, a dongle, but it's a cool little device here. It looks like a miniature ECU, and it allows it to save some of your settings when you're out on a ride. So traction control, ABS, things that you might disengage when you're on an off-road ride, and every time you turn your bike off, it's going to go back to the standard setting. This saves it and allows it to pick right up where you left off when you get back on the ride. And again, if you're riding in the rain or you want your ABS brakes off all the time, however you like the settings, this will save it. So your power mode will save automatically, your modes, but this will save everything else. So it's a nice feature. And it also has the ability to change your ECU setting when you're running on some bad fuel. So if you're down in Mexico or somewhere where you're getting some questionable fuel out of a solo cup or a milk jug, it'll get you to a good gas station. It won't harm the bike. So it's actually a pretty valuable tool. We're going to show you how to hook it up today. All right, so to start installing your dongle, you want to make the disconnection here at your diagnostic connector. And this just simply plugs in. And it'll actually come with a bracket that mounts behind this side plate. So you can follow the instructions on the dongle when you buy it, or you can actually simply just install it down here underneath the seat. You can zip tie it on. There's fasteners down here, a hole. You can zip tie that in. However you can secure it, and this thing will just sit right back in place in here, and you're ready to go. All right, so one thing to keep in mind once you've got it installed, as you turn your key on, you're going to get a blinking light up here that says not legal. And that's just to show you, remind you that you've got that dongle set up. Your ABS is going to be deactivated if that's how you have it set. That way you don't get on the road and stomp on the brake and have a crash. So this is just a reminder that it is connected, and to be sure to check your settings. That can be erased by just toggling down any of these buttons, and that'll go away. It's just a reminder each time you start the bike. Okay, so that's the install of the KTM Offroad Dongle. It's pretty simple, as you can see. They make this for all the adventure models. They also make one for the Duke, the Super Duke, if that's something you're interested in. Different part number, but you can check that out. It's a quick, easy install, and it's something that'll save you a lot of time and effort out on the trail. If you're shutting your bike on and off and you want to stay in those settings, it'll keep those things saved for you and just make your ride a lot better experience. You can get these at any KTM dealer. They can order it for you if they don't have it, and you can go to ktm.com and find it there as well. Thanks for watching.